Hi everyone, this is Judy and today I'm going to share a quick tutorial about the YouTube end screen and annotation. Alright, so I'm guys gonna use this Burj Al Arab Dubai Hotel Tour photo only as our example. So you just click edit there, and in top of the video there is end screen and annotation. So click that one and then you click yes and publish annotation, and okay, that's it. So here they have actually a template that you can use. You just choose which one you like, but I'm not gonna use the template. Import end screen. These are the videos that I already did, the YouTube end screen, so you can use the end screen from one of the videos here. Okay, but I'm not gonna use that for now. All right, so cancel, and then so the blue lines there on the screen is where your end screens will be. Okay, now we are going to add element. So there are choices. You can add video or playlist, subscribe as a subscription button, your channel, and a link to a website. I wanted to add subscribe button. Okay, so that's my subscribe button. And the nice thing about this one is you can arrange the elements. Okay, then there is a preview button where you can see how it will look like at the end of your video. So this is good. The end screen is allowed only at the last 20 seconds of your video. Okay, and then you can actually set the timing of your end screen elements. But you cannot adjust it towards the earlier than 20 seconds. Okay, it's only 20 seconds, the last 20 seconds of your video. Then we need to add more. We need to add a video, at least one video minimum. Okay, add element, because you cannot save without a video or a playlist. So you add one element. So there are actual choices. If you choose the video or playlist, there is the most recent upload, or the best for viewer, meaning the most popular video of your channel, or you can choose a video or playlist. In this case, I wanted to choose a video or playlist. Okay, you click the choose a video or playlist, and then it will give you a lot of options to upload individual videos, or you can click the playlist menu. All right, so but I'm gonna add an individual video. So in here I'm just gonna add the Burj Al Arab room tour part 1, and select that one. There you can enlarge it or you can minimize it as long as it is within the blue lines. Okay, and then let's add one more, another video. So I have here the Burj Al Arab room tour part 2. There you just arrange them. Okay, so we're just gonna enlarge them a bit. Okay, I have to rearrange first. Okay, there you go. And then you have to make sure that you set your timings right. Then preview. There you can see the elements. These are clickable, by the way. And here it is easier for your subscribers to subscribe because of the subscribe button. And then don't forget to save. Okay, if you get an error that elements can overlap, you just need to resize the elements. Okay, there I'm resizing mine because they will not allow me to save it. Okay, then good timing. Okay, then let's save. Okay, all changes are saved. that's that's it. There you have it. I already have the end screen for my hotel tour of Burj Al Arab. Yep, thank you so much guys for clicking, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.